Welcome to the SOMFY How-To video series. In this part 1 of this 2-part video, I'm going to show you the basic sequence of copy and paste that allows you to add new remotes, wireless wall switches, or other devices to control your motorized shades. Let's start by talking about channels. A channel is used to organize motorized window coverings with their controls. A channel is either associated with a single motorized window covering or a group of motorized window coverings. Remember that with SOMFY handheld remotes, a Telis 1 is a single channel remote, and Telis 4 is a multi-channel remote with 5 unique channels. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, with all lights illuminated. This shade is working on a Telis 1, and I have a new Telis 4 that I would like to add. No problem, I'll show you how. Start with the remote that currently operates the shade. To copy, use a paper clip or some other small item to press and hold the programming button on the back of the remote until the shade jogs, which is a brief up and down movement of the shade. Now get the new remote and select the channel that you want to add to control the shade. In this case, I've selected channel 1. To paste, press and hold the programming button on the new remote until the shade jogs again. It's that simple. Now your original remote operates the shade, and so does the new remote. Repeat this copy and paste sequence to add new remotes, wireless wall switches, or other devices to control your motorized shades. Check out Part 2 to learn more about copying and pasting.